Car wheels ensure smooth driving, stability, safe handling, and proper vehicle movement on all roads. Today's video is about top 5 best car wheel that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Lunegue Car Wheel, the Lunegue 17-inch wheel rim is an excellent replacement option for Toyota Corolla models from 2014 to 2016. Designed to factory specifications, it offers a direct fit and hassle-free installation without requiring modifications. I appreciate that it works seamlessly with OEM equipment, including lug nuts, valve stems, wheel covers, tires, and even winter tires, making it highly convenient for Corolla owners. The build quality feels solid and reliable, and the wheel is manufactured using modern production technology with strict quality control standards. It's a great choice whether you need a single wheel replacement, a complete rim upgrade, or an extra spare. Another impressive feature is the careful inspection and secure packaging before shipping, which helps ensure the rim arrives in perfect condition. Overall, this wheel combines durability, compatibility, and quality craftsmanship, making it a dependable and cost-effective option for restoring or upgrading your Toyota Corolla's appearance and performance. Now our second product is Holueku Car Wheel. The Holueku 18-inch replacement wheel rim is a great option for Toyota Camry SE owners from 2018 to 2024. Built to factory specifications, it provides a direct fit and installs easily without modifications. The rim is fully compatible with OEM equipment, including lug nuts, valve stems, wheel covers, tires, and winter tires, which makes replacement simple and convenient. I like that the original center cap, lugs, and tire pressure sensor can still be reused, helping reduce extra costs. The wheel feels durable and well-made, and it has been tested to meet quality control standards for dependable performance. It's ideal for replacing a damaged rim, upgrading a full set, or keeping as a spare wheel. Another strong point is the careful inspection and secure packaging before shipping, ensuring the product arrives safely. Overall, this Holueku wheel rim delivers excellent quality, reliable fitment, and solid value for Toyota Camry owners looking for a professional OEM-style replacement. Our third product is Onesaimei Car Wheel. These 20-inch aftermarket replacement rims are an excellent choice for drivers looking for reliable performance and OEM-style compatibility. Whether you need a single wheel replacement, a full seasonal swap, or a full-size spare, these rims handle the job perfectly. Their durable construction also makes them suitable for all-weather driving and off-road conditions. I like how the rims are engineered for direct replacement with no modifications required. The precise bolt pattern, offset, and center bore ensure a smooth installation process and a secure fit. Once installed, the wheels integrate seamlessly with the vehicle, maintaining the original ride quality, stability, and handling performance. Another standout feature is the strong focus on safety and quality control. These rims are rigorously tested to deliver dependable performance and long-lasting durability. Installation is straightforward, especially when matched with the correct tire size. Overall, these replacement rims provide great value, solid craftsmanship, and factory-style performance for everyday driving or demanding road conditions. Now number 4, Rough Country Car Wheel. The Rough Country steel rims are a fantastic upgrade for trucks and Jeeps that need both rugged durability and aggressive styling. The 10-slot D-window design combined with the high-gloss black powder coat finish gives the vehicle a bold off-road appearance that instantly stands out. What impressed me most is the heavy-duty steel construction. These wheels are built to handle rocks, mud, rough trails, and demanding off-road conditions without compromising strength. Compared to aluminum wheels, the added weight provides better stability and confidence on uneven terrain, making them ideal for serious off-road enthusiasts. The fitment is also well designed, especially for setups using 12.50-inch wide tires and lifted suspensions, ensuring excellent clearance and performance. Installation is straightforward, and the wheels feel solid once mounted. Another big advantage is the included warranty coverage, offering peace of mind for long-term use. Overall, these Rough Country steel rims deliver excellent toughness, aggressive styling, and dependable off-road performance at a great value. And our last choice is Method Race Car Wheel. The Method Race Wheel with bead grip technology is an outstanding choice for off-road drivers who demand strength, safety, and premium performance. The patent-pending bead grip design provides excellent tire hold at low tire pressures, which is extremely useful for trail driving in rough terrain. The aggressive safety hump also helps prevent debeading, giving extra confidence during challenging off-road adventures. The wheel is built from solid A356 aluminum with T6 heat treatment, making it both lightweight and incredibly durable. I also like the reinforced inner lip inspired by MRW race wheels, which adds even more strength for demanding conditions. The debossed method logo and snap-in center cap give the wheel a clean, high-quality appearance. Another impressive feature is the high load rating, making these wheels suitable for heavy-duty applications. The hub-centric fitment ensures a smooth and secure installation. Combined with the lifetime structural warranty, this wheel delivers exceptional reliability, durability, and value for serious off-road enthusiasts. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.